Hi everyone, today we'll talk about a small town girl, Gauri Patil, who have from Jalgaon to V School to getting into Accenture. All these things we'll talk today. So Gauri, thank you very much and congratulations for this complete journey. So we'll start the introduction first. Where are you from? Where did your schooling from?
Hello, sir. Good afternoon. So my name is Gauri, as you said. So I have done my schooling from Jargaon, which was from Marathi medium school, and then post that I have done my graduation in computer science, BTech engineering from Jargaon itself, and I got placed at Infosys from my college placement, and I have a work experience of 3 years. But during my after 1.5 year of my work experience, I realized that working on only technical things is not enough. So one should have a managerial skills also. So that day I thought of doing my MBA, and I was searching for good colleges, and I came across Wellinger, and I was very fortunate that year that few of the exams got delayed due to COVID, and I written my exam in a month of June and July, and after that Wellinger started their process. So I have taken my admission from ATMA, and I scored 98.88 in
Okay.
ATMA.
So if we talk about exam point of view, she started late, so couldn't apply for CAT the way we talked.
Yes, sir.
So
CAT
she
was
gave
gone.
CMAT, ETMA and CTEC
Yes,
exam.
sir.
तो एटमा के लिए अलग से क्या तैयारी किया?
So I have joined one of the coaching, CT King only, and that time we used to follow the black book. So I was in the online coaching classes. So I have done like 4 months of coaching was enough, I guess, because you started your revision batch also and the mock test series also. So mock diya and revision classes kiya. That's it.
Good, very good, very good. So अलग से you don't need to prepare for ETMA. So if you're preparing for CET,
CT, yes,
CMAT, तो
yes.
ETMA का तैयारी अपने आप हो ही रहा है.
सीईटी का अगर हम करें तो सीमैट के लिए आपको बस जीके इज द
जीके
एक्स्ट्रा
रख के
सेक्शन
पढ़ना
यू
है,
नीड
right?
टू स्टडी, बाकी एटमा वगैरह एवरीथिंग यू आर
Is
कवरिंग,
taking
द
care of.
सेक्शंस आर द सेम.
Correct, correct, correct. So same preparation and with 5 marks, I think is more than
Yes,
enough
5 marks
to
more
crack
than
99 percentile or
that. Yes,
98.8 percentile.
yes.
ठीक है. So once you joined the V school, you did a lot of things. You were GS as well. A lot of positions you have held.
Yes.
So what are the benefits of those things?
So I'm a general secretary for both the years for PGDM core. So when I was sitting for my internship,
I'm sorry. By the way, this is a record. GS is from a CET student almost
yeah.
every year in V school since 2014.
Yes, yes, sir. So after that, when I was applied for my internship, so in V School we have a summer internship season started. So from this day, your internship companies will come on the campus. So I was very fortunate that I got my internship on day one of the internship period. I converted Accenture, and during that interview, my most of the question was based on my leadership skills, like how I have proved myself. Because we have various events in the V School. So we have VBiz, which is a national level event. We have a national level, international level conferences. We have roundtable conferences, and now we are having the Smart India Hackathon. So I was the head volunteer for 170 volunteers. So those things really helped me to highlight my leadership skills, and the rest of the interview was based on my prior work experience.
Great, great. And academically, how good you are? तो
So my
यही सब काम किया है कि पढ़ाई भी
no,
करते
no, no, sir.
हैं?
I have a 8.9 CGPA.
वाह, तो बचा गया यार, सब तुमने सब कुछ ही कर लिया आपने. तो यार, if you're all rounder doing everything, I think you can get a good placement on campus. You can join a good college as well. So if we talk about the girl from Jalgaon and to this transformation girl today, so which was the major factor? The V school actually the major factor. Were you थोड़ा insecure because a lot of people who come from small city,
Yeah.
they feel a little bit insecure कि यार will I be able to survive with the Bombay का crowd, Pune का crowd?
This
तो वो
is
कुछ
my
लगा था?
first time coming to Bombay, and I was not this much of confidence. So when I came to V School, I can proudly say this is my 360-degree transformation. So just because they gave me the opportunity and I took it. So this was the point, and you have. It's not like you are just because you are a general secretary you get this chance. Even the normal student also get the chance to show their leadership skills. So this is something V School, and also faculty works along with you. So we have SIRP, which is a summer internship research project. We have SIP, which is a summer internship project, and GCL, which is a global citizen leadership project. So we have different projects which help us to. It gives us a talking point during your executive placements.
Correct, correct, correct. And the best part of V School, if you look at that point of view, there's a very thin line between the industry and the faculty and the curriculum.
Yes.
So they encourage students to participate more in events, go out, extra curricular part. रोज जब भी आता हूँ यहाँ पे कुछ हो रहा होता है. Some
Yes,
event
sir.
is going on. So that way you have a very good chance to prove yourself.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So great. Yaar. So engineer with 3 years of work experience, getting into Accenture
PPO also. I
and PPO as well, of course.
Yes,
सब
sir.
बस सब टिक मार दे, कोई छोड़ा नहीं इसने. So all the best, all the best.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.